So the case items are tested against the case expression one by one in sequential order. So as I explained you how case statement will is getting evaluated. So a full case statement is defined to be a case statement where every possible input pattern is explicitly defined. Full case means, suppose you take a case of state machine itself. In state machine we are having case current state. Okay, suppose current state is 2 bit, so there are 4 possible combinations. So if you are explicitly writing all the 4 combinations, then it's not a problem. Okay, if you have not mentioned all the 4 combinations, then and you're not also mentioning the default case, in that case you may infer latches, right? So if you need to, if in simulation, if you don't have any problem, but in synthesis only you will find the latches. So how you will avoid that thing? So you just write full case pragma near the sensitivity list. Okay, so what synthesis tool will do? So synthesis tool will take that pragma as a command and try to optimize means it will automatically invoke the default state. It will assume that default state is there. Okay, and after that it will work normally, and it will create a hardware based on that default. So a parallel case statement is defined to be the case statement with no overlapping condition in the case items. So now when we have seen parallel case. We have seen how evaluation of case statement will happen in sequential order. But your objective is to implement parallel logic there, right? So in that case, you guide the synthesis tool by defining the parallel case, so that every execution of every state will happen at the same time, and there should not be no, overlapping condition. Overlapping condition means if there is one idle state, and next is read state, and after that delay should come, but again you are writing read state. In that case your synthesis tool will come to know, yeah, there are two read states, so it will give you an error. It will pop up an error message. So that is what you can call as parallel case.